Hello everyone, welcome to my project Showcase. My name is MD Hassan Khan and today I am excited to present to you a responsive landing page clone that I have created. This project was made possible with the help of Shreyans Coding YouTube tutorial channel. In this project, I have recreated a landing page from scratch. The goal was to build a responsive, visually appealing web page using HTML and CSS. Let me walk you through the main feature of this page. So let's talk about its layout and structure. This whole page is divided in two main sections, a left section and a right section. In a left section, it includes the navigation bar and an introduction text and a link here. In a right section, which contain a split layout showcasing images. If we talk about navigation bar, the navigation bar at the top include links to different sections such as about, work, and here is a back icon I used, and here is the Twitter icon. The left section also includes an introduction text that briefly explains the purpose of this clone project and credits the source tutorial. Here I use this text, I give the large font size for looking its attractive web page. On the right section, the section splits in two parts. The upper half is further divided in two parts where I put two background image in two different div respectively. In first, there is a cactus images, and in the second one, there is an orange. In the lower half display a single image of a flower pot. All images are set as background images to their respective divs, ensuring they cover the entire space and maintain their position. One of the key of this project is its responsiveness. The layout adjusts seamlessly across different screen sizes. So for seeing is it responsive or not, let's go and inspect it. So on large screen, the left section takes up 40% of the width, while the right takes up 60%. As the screen size decreases, this section adjusts accordingly, with the images stacking vertically on a smaller screen. See this. So when the content of the web page set up automatically on decreasing the scheme, it should name as a responsive design. So for making this responsive, I used CSS media queries. I used that on screen smaller than 1200 pixel. It's already 1200 pixel. It's less than 1200 pixel. Okay. So the left and right section adjust 50%. So this 50% with each. But when we decrease at a 902 pixel, decrease from 992, the right section stacks its content set up vertically. See this. But when we increase this, it's become set horizontally. But when we decrease the width, it's set up as vertically. See what is going to happen. On even smaller screen, like those less than 576 pixel wide or more less than about that, the navigation bar elements, see this. The navigation bar elements align vertically and the text size decreases to maintain readability. Okay. So that is a quick overview of my landing page clone project. This project helped me to understand the fundamental of responsive design and enhanced my skill in HTML and CSS. I hope you found this presentation informative and inspiring. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out Shreyan's Coding YouTube tutorial channel for more amazing content.